Good morning, students. Myself, Pawar Manisha from KJ Somaya College, Kopargaon. Today we are discuss the CHO 451, that is a advanced synthetic organic chemistry. In that section, we already discussed the second chapter, that is a ring formation reaction. So, in ring formation reaction, today we are going to see Bergman cyclization reaction. So, introduction related to the Bergman cyclization reaction. It is 1,4-benzene diradical formation from indiene via electrocyclization. Okay, Bergman cyclization is also called as a cycloaromatization. So, introduction related to the Bergman cyclization reaction. This is the cycloaromatization reaction or cyclization reaction. So, this is the rearrangement reaction taking place when at indiene is heated in presence of suitable hydrogen donor, that is a 1,4-cyclohexadiene, which forms 1,4-benzene diradical via electrocyclization. This reaction is proceed via free radical mechanism via pyrolysis. This is the important thing related to the Bergman cyclization reaction. What is the main thing? This reaction is proceed via free radical mechanism via pyrolysis. This is the introduction related to the Bergman cyclization reaction. Now we can see the general reaction of Bergman cyclization reaction. Okay, so Bergman cyclization also called as the cycloaromatization. So this is the 1,4-benzene diradical formation from indiene via electrocyclization. This is the en diene in presence of pyrolysis or photochemical reaction, formation of the 1,4-benzene diradical by using the suitable hydrogen donor. So formation of the benzene. Next, mechanism related to the ring formation reaction of Bergman cyclization. In that reaction mechanism, we have to give formation of benzene through radical way. Okay, so 1,4-benzene diradical formation from indiene via electrocyclization. See here, this is the en diene. So how it is the en diene? So here presence of carbon-carbon triple bond, here again presence of carbon-carbon triple bond, and here presence of the carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, so ene from the alkene and yne from the carbon-carbon triple bond, that is a alkyne. The last ene from the alkene and yne from the alkyne. So here one ene, so this is the ene, and here presence of the carbon-carbon triple bond is 2. So that's why it is called as a diene. Okay, so 2 alkyne is present, that's why it is called as a diene. Okay, so this all structure we call as the en diene. Okay, here presence of the carbon-carbon, here again presence of the carbon-carbon bond. Okay, so we have write down the numbering of the carbon atom. How many carbons are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so presence of the 6 carbon, and we have to give the 6 member benzene ring. Okay, why? Because of the here presence of the 6 carbon atom. Okay, so this mechanism can be proceed via radical formation. Okay, so here this pi bond can be broken, formation of the radical. Again this pi bond can be broken, formation of the radical. So radical form here again, form here again. Okay, here formation and here formation. So in next step, by using the thermal condition or photochemical condition, in that condition these two radicals are joined. Which are two? This one and this one radical can be joined here. So formation of radical, okay, benzene ring, okay. So this double bond as it is, this double bond as it is, and this double bond as it, okay. So radical formation here and here, okay. How it is possible? Because of the here presence of the 6 carbon atom. So here radical formation, so this radical can be joined here, and this one radical can be as it is. So see here, so formation of the 1,4-benzene diradical by using the thermal condition or broken the 1 pi bond by the radical way and give the 1,4-benzene diradical. So this 1,4-benzene diradical can be stabilized by using the suitable hydrogen donor. So we have to take this 1,4-cyclohexadiene for the hydrogen donor. This is the 1,4 cyclohexadiene, okay. Here presence of the hydrogen here again presence of the hydrogen, okay. So this bond can be broken, this bond can be broken, this bond can be broken here, this bond can be broken. So here formation of the radical, okay. So this 1,4-benzene diradical can abstract this radical, or 1,4-cyclohexadiene can donate the radical from here. So formation of the benzene ring, 6-member benzene ring by using the suitable hydrogen donor. So this is the mechanism about the Bergman cyclization reaction. Very simple, by using the E-N diene. So by using the photochemical or thermal decomposition, radical formation, again formation of the 6-member ring. This radical can be stabilized by using the 1,4-cyclohexadiene. This is the hydrogen donor. By using the simple radical, this radical can be used here, stabilization and formation of the benzene ring, that is a cyclization reaction, okay. Next, the example about the cyclization reaction. This is the question related to the NET exam. This question can be arises in NET exam or SET exam. So this question is read here. The structure of intermediate A and B and the major product B form in the following reaction. This is the reaction and this is your option, okay. Let us we can see the mechanism, or which is the correct option for this mechanism, okay. This is the E-N diene, okay, because of here presence of the carbon-carbon double bond and here presence of the carbon-carbon triple bond. So that's why it's called as the E-N diene, okay. Here we can write, or here we can see the condition is already here, heating condition, okay. So in heating condition we give the A product, and by using the Bu3SND it is also called as the hydride donor, okay. This D is indicated by the deuterium, that is the isotope of the hydrogen, okay. Here taking hydrogen or deuterium, and reaction in carried out hydride donor, we will give the B product, okay. See here, here CH3 group, here again carbon carbon triple bond, carbon carbon triple bond, and carbon carbon double bond, that is a diene. Okay, so here formation of the radical again, here formation of the radical, here formation of the radical again, radical. So this radical can be joined here, formation of the this ring, that is a okay. Here formation of the benzene diradical by join these two radical, formation of this benzene diradical. Okay, so this diradical here formation, so this is your A product. Okay, this is your A product. Okay, so in next reagent here Bu3SND. Okay, it is also called as a tributyl tin deuterium or tin hydride. Okay, it is also called as a tributyl tin hydride or tributyl tin deuterium. Okay, this H can be replaced by this D, this is deuterium, it is the isotope of hydrogen. Okay, so this can be right here Bu3SND. So this bond can be broken, and here formation of the radical. Okay, this deuterium radical can takes place here, and formation of the this final product. Okay, so this is your B product. So this product here. Okay, we can write down here CH3 group. Okay, so this is your A product, this is your B product. So the answer for this question is first, it is the correct. So it is very simple. Okay, are you understand here? Okay, again we have to see the next example. Okay, this is also related to the diene, and here ENE. Okay, so it is a indiene with presence of 1,4-cyclohexadiene in presence of DMSO 180 degrees Celsius at room temperature 24 degrees Celsius and 60%. Okay, this is your again second example. So discussion about this product, this reagent. Okay, here again formation of the 6 carbon. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, here formation of the 7 member ring, and here formation of the 6 member ring. Okay, so here the 7 member ring formation. Okay, so here formation of the diradical by using bond breaking of the pi bond. So this radical can be joined, so formation of this diradical benzene ring. Okay, see here, so this join, so this double bond as it is, and here presence of the carbon carbon double bond and radical formation here, one radical can be as it is. Okay, so join here again. Next, this carbon add this sulfur. Okay, so this carbon add this sulfur, this carbon add this sulfur, this is write down as it is. Okay, so here CH double bond, here CH2 PH, this is write down as it is. See here, this is the write down as it is. Okay, again this radical can be stabilized by using this suitable hydride donor, that is a 1,4-cyclohexadiene. Okay, here formation of the radical, again radical, this radical used for the stabilization of this radical, again formation of this final product. Okay, so here cyclohexadiene can be here formation of the radical, again here formation of the radical, here formation of the radical, so formation of the benzene ring. Okay, this radical can be stabilized by using the hydride donor. So this radical can be stabilized in this way. Okay, this bond shift cell, this bond shift cell, again this radical can be formed and formation of the benzene ring, and this is your final product. Okay, so this is the example related to the Bergman cyclization reaction. You can understand the mechanism of Bergman cyclization reaction. Okay, thank you.